Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by connecting a dedicated audio interface and picking a low buffer size. This reduces round-trip latency. Once connected, open GarageBand Preferences and choose the interface in Audio/MIDI. Make sure Bluetooth and other audio devices are off so the system doesn't route sound unexpectedly. Also, quit background apps that use CPU or audio. They add scheduling delays. You're setting a clean, low-latency environment, so the rest of the adjustments actually make a measurable difference when you record. Once your interface is selected, enable low-latency mode in GarageBand. This bypasses latency-causing plugins so you hear inputs in near real time. At the same time, use direct monitoring on your audio interface if available, because that gives you zero-latency listening while recording. If you must keep virtual instruments, temporarily disable or replace heavy effects, and freeze or bounce tracks to free CPU cycles. These steps reduce processing overhead and avoid buffer underruns during performance, which directly to finish, switch buffer size higher only when mixing so plugins can run without glitches, then revert to the lower buffer for recording. Make sure your interface drivers, macOS, and GarageBand are up to date. Outdated software commonly causes timing issues. Test latency with a simple one-track project to isolate problems. If you still hear delay, create a fresh project or reset GarageBand's audio preferences to clear misconfigurations. One troubleshooting tip: if latency persists, try a different interface or cable to rule out hardware faults.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.